What's up, my YouTube family? What's up, my human made family? Welcome back to a new video. Today, I got another Grailed, and I'm glad to show it to you all. If you haven't seen it in the thumbnail, you're pretty sure you already know what it is, or from the description of the video, you know what it is. If you don't know what it is, don't copy and paste and Google to see what it is. Just watch the video and be surprised. So anyway, thank you all for coming back. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Also, follow me at mattxi.exe on Instagram. If y'all want to know a little bit more about me, hit me in the DMs. Also, I'm still trying to get everybody orders out. I'm sorry that it's taking so long for me to do. Work has been crazy with this election. I've been working 12-hour days, 6 days a week. 1 day off, and that 1 day off, which is today, I run so many errands, yo. I'm telling you, I'll be out half the day running errands, and I just never have time to get to these giveaways and things like that to send off to you all. But rest assured, I'm gonna send it out, and I will let y'all know. Just please bear with me. Yeah, and just enjoy the content. It may be a short video, maybe a long video, maybe a medium length video. Who knows? We will find out as we go along with this video. Also, a little tip from my last video, I forgot to mention, if you're ordering anything from Bape from Dave, be sure to get express shipping, not C-mail. If you get C-mail, you're gonna be waiting 3 months like I waited 3 months. Reason being, COVID. So get express mail, you may get it in a week, but it's a little bit more money, probably like $45, $50, a little bit more than what you're gonna normally pay for the shipping. So go with express mail if you buy from Bape from Dave. So anyway, that's enough talking. Let's get to unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all what I got for my Grailed piece because I'm excited that it came in and I don't know how to act. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Hell, my damn knife, bitch. So this is what I got right here in this box. I just bought a box and that's it. So yeah, let's talk about this box. It has like this USPS brown to it with like a black hit to give out a little bit of contrast. I'm just kidding, y'all, just kidding. But anyway, in this box is one of my Grailed pieces that I'll be keeping and I will be using. And wearing a lot. So I'm gonna crack this thing on. Straight like that. Yeah. So how y'all doing anyway? How are y'all doing while I cut this open? I'm trying not to cut my damn self open with this damn butcher knife. So anyway, I ain't done. Gotta get this out. There it is. All right. Inside of the box, you have another box. Adidas. Anyway, all right. I'm so excited that I got these. So what's in this box is, I'll let y'all see first before I see, because I'm the type of guy. Can you see it? I don't know if y'all can see it, because I can't see it. Can y'all see it? A little bit. But anyway, in this box, I bought this from Grailed. Dude was selling it for $160. The price dropped down to like $129, $130 or something like that. So I had to cop it, and I copped it. So I'm always watching stuff on Grailed that I want. I just sit and wait. When I see that price drop, and that price drop, and that price drop, and that price drop, then I buy it. But anyway, so we come in the box. Homie gave me a Supreme sticker. Yeah, you know how I feel about that. So what I got, oh my God. Let it salt bay. Sprinkle that salt on it. I'm gonna pull both out for y'all. Pull both out. Pull out game on point. That's what I got right here. Are the Adidas Human Racers. No, these right here are the Adidas. What the hell these damn things called? So I got the Adidas Solar Hue Human Mades. They have been worn, they have been used. I don't care, I don't mind, because they're white, so they're gonna get dirty regardless. So I ain't tripping too much. I was sleeping hard on this model of Adidas. Like, I really didn't like it. After I seen one of my homies that I follow on Instagram, well, one of my subscribers, y'all say the homie, he had these, and I seen him wearing them. And I was thinking, I'm like, yo, those are actually dope, seeing them on somebody else's foot and just instead of seeing them on pictures. And or seeing just the shoe itself in pictures. So I see my homie posting them on Instagram. I'm like, I gotta get those, because I was gonna get the human racers, human made NMDs, but these right here, like, let me just go ahead and cop these. Let me just cop them for the person. Yeah, I'm kind of glad that I got them. I want to put them on now. I'm gonna put one on. I'm gonna put one on. Just one. Oh. Dang, sock came off. Hold on. There it is. Oh, we got 3 in it. Oh, hold on. What is this? Oh, so it come with laces. One lace or the 2 in there? Yeah, 2 laces. So they come with red laces. Check that out. Look at that. So it come with white and red laces. I don't know. Maybe I put the red laces in for the like a contrast, but who knows? It's dope. Good look. Anyway, wrong shoe. Hey, homie, you were not lying. These are. I should have went a size up. They're tight, but it ain't too bad. Yeah, I would suggest going a size up. I got these in size 11, and I thought it would be fine and perfect, but I should have went to 11 and a half. It's a bit tight, but it ain't bad. Also, it got 3 hits on these little tabs. Let me get a little bit closer. These little gray tabs right there and right there. 3 hits. Also, they got 3 hits on the shoe screen as well. So I'll show y'all that in the B-roll, so you don't have to worry about all these stuff like that. So anyway, so yeah, I will be wearing these a lot. You can wear these with down there anything. Wear some blue jeans, black jeans, khakis, sweatpants, shorts, shit like that. Maybe leggings if you're a woman or a guy. I don't know. Most of y'all guys wear leggings. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, I finally got my first pair of human made Adidas. They got a blue pair of these too that I do want. They got some fire, like the hardest blue and not red, but it costs a little bit more. Probably like twice the price of these. But yeah, these are hard. I'm fucking with them. I like them. And they got a nice tread at the bottom for some good ass grill. Look at that. Get tread. Yeah, right there. I'm just gonna make this a thumbnail. Yeah, make that thumbnail. There it is. So that's the thumbnail right there, so y'all gonna see that. Anyway, so yeah, I had to cop these. I will be wearing these a lot. If I'm just going out to the store, I'm gonna wear them. If I'm going out to an event, I'm gonna wear them. Depending on where I'm going, I'm gonna wear them. So you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so yeah, I will be getting a blue version of these when, I don't know, when the time comes, that's when I'm gonna get them. I will get the NMD version of these as well. I hope they come out with some more. You know, I would like to see, since everybody doing collabs with Nike, but I already know Nigo, he's a fan of Adidas. I would like to see Human Made do a collab with Nike, like Off-White doing with Nike, like what Travis Scott doing with Nike. I just want to see what like shoe model Nigo would go with if he did a collab with Nike. That would be so hard. If he did Jordan 1s or the Jordan brand, Jordan 1s, Nigo, if you're listening, if you decide to do a collab with Nike, do it with Jordan brand and do the Jordan 1s, highs, not mids, not lows, highs, and that's it. That's my favorite Jordan 1s of all time. It just reminds me of the Air Force 1s. And I've been wearing Air Force 1s since like in middle school. That's all I wore in middle school and high school, Air Force 1s. I just like that silhouette and the way it looks. And it fits me perfectly the way I dress. So, Nigo, if you hear me, hit up Nike and Jordan brand and do Jordan 1s. And if you do it, y'all can thank me later. Don't worry about it. You don't got to. But thank me later if you do it. But yeah, so I caught these and I will be copping some more Grails. Again, they got a little bit of scuff marks on them. I don't care. Shoes are meant to be worn. I got these for a steal in a deal because shit is real in the field. That's a bar, write that down because I may need y'all to use that later when I need y'all to like recite a bar of mine, you know? Anyway, yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the content. Like, comment, subscribe down below. If not, use nah, y'all ain't that. But anyway, do that. I greatly appreciate it. Catch y'all next video. I'm out. Peace.